Hello, we are Vodafone. We are a leading telecom services provider. It is our job to connect people, businesses and machines with each other. You could say that we have played a part in making the world a smaller place. We serve customers and businesses in 30 countries. When we include our 50 partner networks, our presence expands to 190 countries across 5 major continents. How does that translate into customer count? 400 million and counting. Out of these, 160 million are in India. It means approximately 1 in every 56 people worldwide is an Indian Vodafone customer, making India one of our most important markets. That explains why we have created an enviable infrastructure in the country. To put it simply, if we laid these cables end to end, they can circle our planet 6 times. What's even more fascinating is what we do with this infrastructure. We began in 1995. Back then, we dealt with individual customers in just one telecom circle. Today, our presence in 23 telecom circles helps us cover almost every corner of this diverse nation. In 2010, we started offering enterprise mobility services to organizations. Today, we serve 60,000 businesses that include large corporates, growing SMEs and prestigious government bodies. That translates to 5 million customers who are transforming the Indian economy into a global powerhouse. Keeping these champions happy is our primary passion. This passion is reflected in us being ranked #1 in Net Promoter Score across India, which is an indication of our customers' loyalty. To reach this ranking, we had to take large strides. Being in the business of connectivity, we connected the dots. We used our experience, expertise and enthusiasm to understand the current and future needs of businesses in India. We then devised specific solutions to meet these needs. Solutions such as wirelines, conferencing, M2M and enterprise mobility, to name just a few. Here is how we have helped some leading organizations to become true ready businesses. We have connected over 300 branches of a private bank and 150 offices of a BPO using MPLS and Internet Lease Line solutions. By simply incorporating our video conferencing solutions, an IT services company increased its responsiveness to customers and improved its efficiency. Our internet connectivity in remote areas and our MPLS VPN offering helped a nationalized bank cut communication costs by nearly 60%. Our toll-free solutions helped a consumer durables giant save 35% of its variable overheads. A global food and beverages company achieved operational efficiency through our location tracking services. A payment solutions company was securely powered by our M2M special SIMs. And an electric car company achieved its vision of connected cars by using our secure M2M network. Meanwhile, a leading utility company improved its customer service and cut operational costs through our smart meter solutions. The future is already here and its arrival is fueled by our imaginations. Take for instance our M-Pesa service, which helps unbanked customers do hassle-free mobile money transfers. And our cloud services that drastically reduce IT costs and improve security of a business's communication infrastructure. We are redefining the way businesses function. We are functioning in the present while keeping an eagle eye on the future. If you're interested in experiencing tomorrow's excitement today, then connect with us. 400 million people already do. We are Vodafone, and connecting you to your future is our business.